Hello, world, and welcome to another episode of
Did You Know?
We love to talk about exciting subjects in science, medicine, robotics, astronomy, futuristic ideas, music, or anything interesting in the news. So let's get into it. Did you know in the news?
New map shows all the matter in the universe. The Dark Energy Survey and the South Pole Telescope have recently been used by researchers to recalculate the total amount of distribution of matter in the universe. This study provides us new insight into composition of the universe and helps to refine our universe of cosmos. The Dark Energy Survey measures a light at visible wavelengths, while the South Pole Telescope focuses on the cosmic microwave background, which is the oldest radiation that can be seen and dates back to about 300,000 years after the Big Bang. Combining the data from those two observations, the researchers were able to create a comprehensive picture of how matter is distributed throughout the universe. Matter is the type of matter that cannot be observed directly. We know it exists because its gravitational effects, but otherwise it remains largely a mystery. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, while ordinary matter is only about 5%. The remaining 68% is made up of dark energy, which is evenly distributed throughout the universe and responsible for its accelerating expansion. There's still a lot of data from the Dark Energy Survey that needs to be analyzed. And the other telescope, like the Atacama Ology, are also taking surveys of the background. As these observations become more precise and data is collected, researchers to test the standard cosmological model and new areas of investigation. In conclusion, the recent findings from the Dark Energy Survey and the South Pole Telescope have provided us with new and important insight into the distribution of matter in the universe. These findings may challenge our current understanding of the logical and new discoveries in the future. As always, I will leave the link in the description for you to follow up and to go more in depth if you want to know more information about dark matter. Now, the next story I have up for you all is astronomers identify first twin stars doomed to collide. A recent study has found a rare neutron star named SGR 0755-2933, which died in a quiet ultra-strip supernova instead of a typical explosive death. Scientists believe that earlier in its lifetime, the star transferred an abnormally high amount of mass to its binary companion, leaving it without enough material for a standard supernova. This unique binary system is the first cleared example of a star system that will trigger a kilonova, a cosmic explosion in which two neutron stars merge. Astronomers previously estimated that only 1 to 2 such systems exist in a spiral galaxy like the Milky Way, but this study has increased that estimate to 10. The research helps better understand the history and evolution of stars in such systems and also the original of heavy elements in the universe. In the future, the researchers predict that the two neutron stars in the system will collide in a kilonova explosion, releasing immense quantities of heavy elements like platinum, gold, xenon, and uranium into the universe. Now, the next story I have, valley fever is spreading fast. Valley fever, a deadly fungal infection that's caused by The fungus Coyotes. The rise in the U.S. due to climate change is caused by the inhalation of fungal spores that are released into the air when soil is disturbed. This thrives in warm, dry environments. 1% of are found in Arizona and California. However, cases have begun to appear in other parts of the country, and scientists predict by the 2100 it could be endemic in 17 states. Valley fever is 10 times more deadly than the flu, killing 1 in 100 who contract it. The infection can cause serious harm, and in symptoms mimic those of a respiratory virus. There is no vaccine for valley fever, and treatment involves antifungal medication for months and unpleasant side effects. Climate change is predicting the spread of endemic region of the fungus north, potentially increasing the number of affected states and cases by 50%. The World Health Organization has listed fungal pathogens as a growing public health concern due to increasing resistance to treatment. Again, I will repeat, science is awesome. So what do you all think about these stories here? Any discussions, any opinions on it? Are you heavy into science? Do people talk about this enough in your group? Let me know your opinion. Till next time, y'all stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.